MEP Practical Knowledge. This channel consists of theory with practical knowledge. Don't just blindly follow tender or approved shop drawing, thinking it's a tender or approved shop drawing, so we should follow. No, we are engineers. We need to think why these components to be used, whether it's been recommended by NFPA or any local authority. At the moment you start thinking and apply the things as per standard, then you will become a professional engineer. A company with an engineer will only run, but a company with a professional engineer grow. In this channel you will learn MEP work in a simple way. So like, comment, share and subscribe to our videos, and also click on bell icon to get latest videos notification. So let's go towards today's video's topic, fire pump room overview. Today in this video we will discuss the major fire pump components. So let's start. Types of pump. Number 1, we have electric fire pump. This is also known as booster pump, which increase water pressure. Number 2, we have jockey pump. Jockey pump is also known as a pressure maintenance pump. And number 3, we have diesel pump. This is also known as booster pump, which is similar to electric fire pump. Selection and installation of pumps to be followed. NFPA 20, standard for installation of stationary pumps for fire protection. These 3 pumps are connected to common suction and discharge header. Suction header connected with the water tank and pumps, whereas discharge header connected with the pump and supply line to the required location. Before connection to the pumps with the suction header consists of main OS and Y gate valve connected with the tank, and this shows normally open. This gate valve consists of tamper switch. Number 2, there is sub OS and Y gate valve for each pump section. You can have a look. This suction gate valve for diesel pump, and this is for jockey and electric fire pump. For 3 pumps we have flexible connection. After this, eccentric reducer and pressure gauge. Before connection to pumps with discharge header consist of, you can have a clear look, pressure gauge, and this is the concentric reducer, flexible connection, check valve, sub OS and Y gate valve for each pump discharge. And main OS and Y gate valve. With this suction and discharge line, there is also pressure relief line designed to protect a pressurized system during an overpressure event. And test line. Test line is fire testing the fire pumps functionality in frequency as stipulated in NFPA 25, which we will discuss in our upcoming videos. These 3 pumps functioning are controlled by control panel, and each pump have its own control panel. You can have a look. Number 1, electric fire pump. Number 2, jockey pump. And number 3, diesel pump. These 3 control panel connected with the pressure sensing line, which plays a major role to provide signal between control panel and pumps. This is only the basic overview for firefighting pump room. In our next upcoming videos, we will discuss each pump separately, their function, their design. If you like our video, please share, like and subscribe.